Hi, in front of me is Huawei Honor 7S, and today I would like to show you how you can download pictures from Instagram. Firstly, open Playstore. Then type repos for Instagram and download this app from this developer. Now open it and go into Instagram. Choose a photo that you want to download, for example that one, and click at the three dots. Choose Share To and pick Repost App. Now go back to it. Pick one of the options and tap on the photo that you want to download. Click at the square icon to remove the repo and tap the middle button. Click Allow and wait. Now when I go into my gallery, I can see that my photo was successfully downloaded. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!